Electronic Locksmith, we are preparing to climb to new heights.
All right, hello everybody.
Our theme today is preparing to climb to new heights.
And we are ready.
In 2022, we have new summits to climb. Last year, we made amazing progress, a testimony of what we can do when each team member gives their personal best for the greater good of the team. In preparing to climb to new heights this year, it means we all need to pull together and help the next guy on the team climb higher. Together, at the end of 2022, we will look back from a higher perspective than we ever had before at EL. I look forward to being on this journey with you. So, you ready? Let's go.